So Google have finally released their very first folding phone. It's a phone that I genuinely believe looks like one of the best designed folding devices on the market, and that's coming from Google, who are primarily a software based company. Their hardware has at times been subpar, but recently they are producing hardware that can seriously compete with the biggest tech companies like Samsung and Apple. This device looks absolutely amazing, and for someone like me who has been waiting to switch to a folding phone for a while, this is something I cannot wait to have. Now, Google have released this phone in the UK for nearly £1,800, but I didn't pay that. I paid £1,574.10. Let me explain how. Before I start talking about actually getting my hands on this phone, it looks like that'll be around June the 27th, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, then definitely hit that subscribe button, because I will be posting a ton of content based around the Fold when it does eventually arrive. So back to how I got nearly £200 off this device. Google announced this phone and they said they were throwing in a Pixel Watch for free with every pre-order. Now, whilst that helps, it's still a lot of money to be spending. So after actually ordering the Pixel Fold with the watch, I cancelled after realising Google actually offers a discount to anybody with a Unidays account. Now, I'm not sure how this works in the US, but in the UK, I tried it and it didn't really work properly when I had the free watch included. But as soon as I removed the free watch, which was optional, it took 10% off the price of the Pixel Fold, again bringing it down to around the £1,570 mark. Now, if you're thinking, well, why have I chose to remove a free watch? Then in my head at the time, I'm thinking, I'm actually paying nearly £200 more just to have that free watch. So really, not free anymore. And also, by the time that watch does actually arrive, it's going to be a couple of months before the next Pixel Watch is announced. So it is best for me to hold on to that £200 and then put it towards the new Pixel Watch. Now, if you're like me and you watched Google I/O and you pre-ordered straight away, then that's fine. Cancelling my order and reordering was extremely easy and it took seconds, so there's no need to worry about that. And if anybody's wondering why when I cancelled the order, I decided to change my mind from getting the light colour to getting the Pixel Fold in black, that is mainly due to the fact that I didn't realise the back of this Pixel Fold was actually matte. So I was worried about getting fingerprints all over the black phone, but it doesn't seem like that's going to be much of an issue now that the back of the device is matte black. Now, like I said, I've paid £1,574 for this Pixel Fold with 256GB worth of storage. Let's make a quick comparison. For an iPhone 14 Pro Max with that much storage, the price in the UK is £1,309. So for an extra £265, do we now still think that the Pixel Fold is not worth it? Now, for me, considering the extra features that you're getting with the Fold, the device definitely is worth it. With this discount and bringing it down to below 1,600, it is much more appealing. I do genuinely think, from what I have seen, this device is absolutely stunning. I think it's the best looking folding phone, like I said, and the aspect ratio looks perfect. The bezels don't bother me at all. It's going to be easier to hold because of them. I get a better selfie camera on the inside because of it, and I am pretty certain that in person it's going to look even better than it does on video. I really have been eagerly waiting for this device ever since the rumours started swirling around the internet last year. So now that it's finally here, I obviously couldn't resist pre-ordering it, and I personally have been lucky enough over the past couple of years to get my hands on folding phones, the most recent being the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which I do have a video coming out on that device this week, so stay tuned for that. It is the device that did make me decide I wanted a folding phone as my main phone, but there's just one issue with that, and it's the same issue with all the other folding smartphones currently on the market, and that is the camera. I use my smartphone camera so much that I haven't been able to downgrade what I have in place of a folding screen. I want both, and I think finally we have that with the Pixel Fold. If you're familiar with Google's Pixel lineup, you know that they've always excelled in the camera department, and the Pixel Fold looks like it is no exception. It features a cutting-edge camera system that is almost the same as what we see from the Pixel 7 Pro, which captures stunning photos and videos. With advanced computational photography and HDR capabilities, I'm expecting vibrant colours, sharp details and excellent low light performance from this Pixel Fold. Google themselves seem to think that this is the best camera system in any foldable, and I do think I agree with them, and I haven't even got my hands on the phone yet. The full review will obviously be where I'll put the camera system to the test, so subscribe to see that once I have the Fold. I really think Google have made something cool here, and something people need to pay attention to. The software experience looks like it's going to be best in class, and the hands-on videos currently on YouTube all sound positive. I've said this before and I'll say it again, this phone has got me excited more than any other phone has for a long time, and I know I'm definitely not the only one who feels the same way. If you are somebody who is looking at purchasing a Pixel Fold, or if you're someone who already has pre-ordered a Pixel Fold, then it really is worth seeing if you are able to get that discount. Please let me know in the comments if this does actually work for anybody. I don't think I've seen anybody speak about this on the internet so far, so I would love to see if this information influences anybody's decision at all. That's pretty much it from me. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.